Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to dive deep into Splitwise app review. So to get started with a quick overview, Splitwise is a popular app designed to help users track and split shares expenses with friends, roommates, or travel companions. Whether it's splitting a dinner bills, managing household expenses, or driving costs during a trip, Splitwise aims to simplify the process of keeping track of who owns whom. This app is available for free on iOS and Android and the web platform, with an optional paid version of Splitwise Pro with offering additional features. And here's a quick review about the strength of this platform. Splitwise offers an intuitive, clean design, making it easy to add and manage expenses. Users can quickly input costs, categorize them, and specify how they should be split among participants. And also, this app supports various methods of splitting expenses, including equal split, percentage-based, and custom amounts, accommodating different scenarios and preferences. Talking about the downside about this platform, the recent updates have introduced limitations to the free version, such as restricting the numbers of expenses that can be added per day and introducing ads, which some users find intrusive. And also, while the app facilitates tracking and simplifies debt, it does not handle direct monetary transactions, requiring users to use external payment platform. And here's a quick bottom line. Splitwise is a valuable tool for individual and group looking to manage shares expenses efficiently. Its user-friendly interface and versatile expenses splitting option and integration with payment platform make it a convenient choice for many users. However, the limitation of the free version and the lack of direct payment process may be a drawback for some users. So for those who frequently engage in share expenses and seek a comprehensive solution, the paid version may be offer the additional features needed for you.